Hello everyone, welcome back to the Apple Connect, and this video I'm going to talk about how to get ChatGPT to roast your Instagram feed. So we all use Instagram, so I'm going to talk about how you can do this. So to do this we need a application, not an application, and a thing called Instagram, which is available in the Google. So you just need to search for Instagram, which will take you to this. And this is what you need to open. So when you tap on this one, they're going to ask you to log in. So I have already logged in with over here. As you can see, I've already logged in. So this is how it looks like. So now we need to get the roast from Instagram. So how to do this? So we have two options. Either we have to upload a photo for a caption suggestion, or we have to create a caption for a post about. So you can do both. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and tap on this one. Okay. So they're going to ask me to add an image. So I'm going to do like this. So over here, as you can see, there is an option to upload the file. So I have to go over here. So now I have to click on upload file and I have to take it from the photo library. Take photos, selfies are there. So I'm going to go over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select something randomly. First, before that, I have to take a screenshot. So over here, this is my profile. Over here, as you can see, this is a profile of my friend. So right now I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Okay, so let me take a screenshot of this. So this is how it looks like, and once afterwards I have to go back. I have to tap on this one once again and I have to add this. Now I have to go for add. I have to add the respective image over here, as you can see. So once the image is added, you have to go over here, and so you just need to wait because it has to get completely loaded up, because when the loading is in process, you'll not be getting an option. It will be grayed out. So once the uploading is done, just tap over here. And right now, as you can see, it will give you a brief on this. So as you can see, it is getting written. So it says confidence is the best outfit, rocket on it. And also it is giving you the hashtags. So what kind of hashtag is best for the Instagram if you wanted to have a good reach, or what kind of things that you can do, and all the things will be given over here. So this is what you can do over here with this particular thing. So you can do the same. Even if I go back to the Instagram, I'm going to take over here a screenshot for this particular profile over here. And I'm going to do the same. I'm going to give it to the ChatGPT over here. I'm going to do the same. Just go over here, go to the attached file, and I'm going to go for the photo library, and I'm going to select this one once again, and I have to go over here, and this is going to give you a brief thing about your profile using the ChatGPT, and they're going to help you guys what are the bugs, or what are the things it's not helping your post or in your profile, how well you can improve the content, and all those things will be given over here. And just go over here. So right now, as you can see over here, when you do this, it will be giving a complete brief about everything. So just go over here. As you can see, it is giving you a complete things about additional tips. It's giving the bio suggestions because what it is already written, and also it is giving you some additional tips regarding the highlights, profile, and also it's giving you some more details on this, how well you can enlarge your Instagram account and everything. So all these things are completely written over here, and this is how you can do this, or you can roast your Instagram using the ChatGPT application, which is called Chat Instagram, and how you can do this. So these are some of the optimizing ideas for your post and your profile, which can be helpful, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.